So you've bought yourself a camera, you've bought yourself a mic, and you're ready to set up and start filming, and then you realise nothing is in the right place. You need it in a certain area, or you need it closer to you or closer to your work, and that's when my search onto Amazon happened, and I stumbled across these amazing products called magic arms. What is a magic arm, I hear you cry? Well, a magic arm, it is a piece of equipment that helps your devices be in the exact place where you want to put them. They are all operated by the one knob rather than having several different ones. This is good for those type of people who just like to move things about very quickly last minute, or have confined spaces where you have to move things around to be able to do something else, like me. If you check out my video about filming in a small space, you will get an idea of my setup and how small of a place I need to work in. Using these allows me to move them out of the way when I'm actually doing projects, but also have my camera and microphone put in the right place at the right time when I want them, all controlled by one knob, which was very easy to open, easy to adjust, and doesn't cause too much pain in my hands. You basically loosen this knob and put the device exactly where you want to put it. Once you've done that, you tighten it up and it stays there. Now, these are only shorter. At the time they didn't have any longer ones, so I ordered one of these just to see what it's like. And the first one that I ordered from was from a company called Neewer. And when I got this one, I really liked the arm. The clamp was good. I liked everything about it, but then it started developing a problem very soon. As soon as I put my device onto the screw plate, the rubber matting that protects your device to the magic arm started twisting and the glue started coming undone, and it left a really sticky residue on the bottom of the devices that I was using. You can see that in this video. The design is quite poor at the end. So I went on a search again on Amazon just to have a look if there is an alternative to this one, and I come across a company called Smallrig. They do a range of amazing different products to help you with accessories for filming. And I thought, I'll order one of these anyway, and it was due the next day. So I kept hold of the Neewer one. I did plan on sending the Neewer one back because obviously I wasn't happy with it. But I thought I'd do like a side-by-side comparison of them just to see if there is any differences. And the only difference that I could see, which I was quite happy about, was the actual rubber plate, the rubber mount that goes between the arm and the device that you're using. The clamps are the same. The arm is the same, it works in the same way. I think the knob is slightly smaller on the Neewer one, but apart from that, the only difference is the rubber between the magic arm mount and the device that you're putting onto it. So on the Smallrig one, it had a nice little neat, like an O-ring kind of rubber, which really did work well. I've had no problems with this one. I've had the Smallrig one now for a few months and it's not come off. The Neewer one come off pretty much the first time I used it. So either the glue's not strong enough or it's just a poor design, I'm not sure. So my money's on the Smallrig ones. I'm going to post in my description where I bought them from. There's a link in there which takes you to Amazon. Each time I buy something for the channel related to the journey of YouTube, I'll be posting unboxings on this channel and on the playlists that I have available. So if you're interested in unboxings and initial thoughts, then head over to my playlists and see if there's anything else on there that strikes your interest. My money is definitely on the Smallrig one. I really do prefer this one. Obviously you need to put your device onto the mount, but apart from that, once it's set up, you untighten the knob and the full arm moves, so you can put it exactly where you want it and just use the one knob to tighten it up. Now, at the time of recording this video, I couldn't see any arms that were longer than this. I have found some now and I will be posting that in future videos, so make sure you like and subscribe so that you can come back and check those out. Keep an eye out for other unboxings I'm going to be doing in the future. I hope this video has been useful today. If you're interested in unboxings, click on this playlist here and YouTube will suggest the next video. Have a great day, guys!